Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna grab some coffee real quick and then head up the hill for a walk. So my goal is to either walk in the morning when it's my days off from work or walk up the hill after I get off work. Summer's coming, there's no excuse for me to be inside if I'm not working anymore. Like, done with the indoors. I can't handle it. I'm over it. So yeah, that's gonna be today. It's about 7:30 right now. I let myself sleep in today just because I was so tired. So sometimes you just need to let your body rest. So I'm gonna grab some coffee, get up the hill, walk around, come back. I didn't shower yet. So I'm gonna take a shower. And then, I don't know, maybe go golfing. I keep saying I want to do that and I haven't done it yet. So maybe go golfing. It's Friday. So people are working. I took a vacation day. So it might be perfect for me to go by myself because going during a weekend and I'm decent, but not weekend golf pressure decent. Okay, here we go. It's only just the beginning of it, but I'll show you what I mean when I say this hill is huge. I'm just at the bottom right now, but I can see it. It's like a slow and steady climb, and then at the very end, just like bam, got it. This is my hill that I walk up. I'm already getting tired. It's trash day, so everyone's trash is out. You can't see it yet. See the light? That is the big hill. So it's about a mile and some change down and back, or up and back to my apartment. It's a good walk. I'm already out of breath, so that helps. Got my coffee with me. I'm not trying to be crazy on this walk. I just want to get my heart rate up a little, and this one seems to do it. I decided to do a little yoga session before, stretching, all that kind of stuff. Now I'm on my walk. I'll show you the view when I get to the top. Okay, I made it up the hill, but I'm actually really disappointed in myself. I was walking normal, and I'm like not trying to go fast or anything, and I'm out of breath, I'm sweating, and I'm like, this is so bad as for my cardio, like my cardiovascular health. I sit at a desk all day long and I hardly have any time to move. And now I am struggling to even walk up a hill. And I'm not that old. It's not like I've been out of exercise for a long time, but 6 months of sitting down really deteriorates your body. So, new goal every day after work or on the weekends, walk up that hill and exercise. Mostly my glutes because they're flat now from sitting down all day. So if you guys like that kind of thing, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell for notifications so you know when I upload another video. And let's do this together because I'm really tired of being out of shape, and it sucks walking up a hill and being out of breath just from walking. So come join me. Let's do it together. And back down we go. I'm in the middle of the road, but it's a big hill. It's huge, but the view's worth it. I love it. Okay, just got back home. I'm hot. So I shouldn't be this out of breath, like I said before, but I had to come sit outside because that hill is killer. Look at me, I'm sweating. So I'm back home now. Long day. We actually ended up going to a winery and did just a small wine tasting, and then went and watched the windsurfers, which blew my mind. It's so cool. I want to try that so bad. I think that would be such a great pastime, exercise, hobby, fun to do. I'm going to start looking into lessons. I think that would be a really fun way to get exercise in without thinking that it's exercise. Like, I am at the point of tricking myself into exercise. But yeah, I had a great day with my dad and Stephanie, and we just chilled. We hung out, and I didn't end up going golfing, but that's okay. You know, one of these days I'll get there. I just love spending time with my dad and everybody. Like, as I get older, I want to spend more time with him and enjoy the things that we just like to do together. We just really like to hang out. And I think tomorrow we might go on a Harley ride. It's supposed to be like 87, 85, something like that. So I think that it would be really fun to go do that and enjoy the weather and ride with the pops. So might get a workout in. If I do, I'll film that for you guys, and we'll go from there. But I'm going to conclude this video here, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and then hit the bell so you know when I upload another video, which will be Wednesdays at 6. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Night.